Good morning friends, I am Surya Agrawal and today I will be telling you some of the special problems that we are regularly facing in our gardening whenever you use some of these pots, especially the earthen pot or clay pot. When you use accidentally, they are broken due to our work or some of the other animals here in our garden. Some of the cats are there, they have fallen down all these pots. You see the pots is broken. This is the Vinca pot and this fall down and broken, and this also broken my big plant here. This is a Ranjai plant or this is the clematis plant, and you see the situation of the pot totally broken, and here the arches are here, and in order to get it alive, you have to keep some measures, you have to take some measures. I will be telling you, please watch the entire video. I will be telling you what steps you have to take and how to revive the plant, how to report the plants perfectly, and there should be no problem in future of these plants. And this is the regular problem in our garden, especially we are using the earthen pot. So this is the pot. You have to take around 10-inch pot. Earlier the plant was in 8-inch pot. You have to take this 10-inch earthen pot. This is the glass pot, and there should be hole at the bottom as well as from the sides also, and in order to well drain the water properly. And now the broken pieces of this pot you should put at the bottom of the pot in order to cover the drainage hole here, and there shouldn't be any of the blockage in this drainage hole. So we are putting some of these broken parts. If you want, you can add some pebbles also, and here I will be adding some big boulders of this is the soil big pieces of soil boulder here, and after the big pieces of soil boulder here, I will be using some of the finer soil that will be using, and I will be telling you the exact soil mixture, what you have to do, how to make this soil mixture properly. And there should be some of the components you have to keep in mind, that there should be the perfect mix of this soil mix and how to report the plants properly. And here I have taken 3 items. One is vermicompost, and one part I will be taking cow dung compost, and one part coco peat. If you don't have coco peat, you can skip the procedure because it is not very much necessary. And then I will be taking some garden soil. Here 70% I am taking garden soil, and altogether coco peat, compost, everything altogether 30%. So this is the soil mix, perfect soil mix for your plants. And if you have, you can add some of the neem cake powder, around 10 to 20 gram of neem cake powder. This is very nice for all these controlling insects in soil-borne insects, soil-borne every kinds of parasites they can control, and at the same time they will provide you some micronutrients. A number of micronutrients are there in this neem cake, so you may add. And if you don't have neem cake powder, you can use some thiamate powder or carbofuran, furan. These kinds of insecticides are available. You can use half teaspoonful of that insecticide, and in that case there won't be any of the insects problem or some of this termite problem or many problem. They can be prevented, and your plants soil would be nice for at least 6 months. You don't have to add any kind of fertilizer, even you don't have to add liquid fertilizer also, and this is very nice. Now fill up the pot around 2-inch layer. Don't add much here before we putting plant. This is the 2-inch layer, and now I am dismantling this pot, and I am taking out the whole root ball plants and the soil ball here. And you have to be very careful. This is a creeper type of plants, and especially the creeper type of plants you have to take extra care. And these are some arches, you have to fit the arches properly, and this is also a challenging. Just break the top, some of the soil part here, top part. Don't remove all the soil part, just remove the top part, small amount. And now I am fixing this stakes here, arches stakes here, and now fill up the soil here. So this is the best soil mix you can add, and you can be very this is the best reliable soil mix here for reporting any kind of plant, especially the fruiting plant, flowering plant, every kind of plant you can put. Now I am placing this one, and after putting this one, just leave 1 inch of the top portion is vacant, empty, and then you can place this and just shake the pot properly, and there will be soil will be adjusted. And after that you have to apply water, and whenever you report plant, just apply water, because they otherwise the plant will go on shock. And I am applying in water in soil, proper watering, and some water I will be applying on the top also. They will refresh the plants. If you want, you can apply some fungicides in water, mixed fungicide, that will also be very nice. So this is the total mix. I will be keeping it in semi-shade area for around 3 to 4 days. After 3 to 4 days, once the plants is settled, I will be taking out in the full sun, and this is the clematis, and this lots of flower they come, and they're beautiful. So if you want, you can change the stakes also after 3 to 4 days. So this is all. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you have to like the video, please give it a like, give it a thumbs up. If you want to share, please share it. If you are very new to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you very much. Thank you for being with us. So nice of you. Thank you.